Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Finna do something you ain't never seen me do. Don't tell nobody I know how. Do some carpenter work. Y'all seen the chicks? You seen the brooder I had them in? They're outgrowing it, so I'm finna build another one. Couldn't get lucky and find another feed trough or water trough on the side of the highway, so we finna try to slam together one 4x4. I'm gonna actually make a top for this one. We're gonna put all the turkeys and the chicks in it, and the ducks are gonna stay in the littler one. We ain't got but 4 ducks. Got 6 chickens and 7 turkeys, I think, something like that. Maybe 6, I don't know. I'll count when we get through today. Alright, I'm gonna bring y'all along. A lot of it probably be time lapsed. Y'all know how it is. I'll tell you what I do every time I do something though. Alright, recycling. Too cheap to buy it. This wood cornbread dropped off over here for deer stands 2-3 years ago. It looks like some 1/4 inch. I'd have preferred 1/2 inch, but hey, it's what I got. Building the brooder 4x4 by 2 foot tall. I'm gonna put a bottom in it, but the way I'm gonna build it, you'll see, is where I can just screw it together and unscrew it whenever I'm tired of using it. Don't need it anymore. I can put it up, fold it up, put it up. I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm finna start cutting and making measurements and all that. I always cut first and measure later. That's how I work. I'm a professional like that. Alright, we got all the big cuts made on the plywood. I got another one I'll make later. It may be tomorrow or next day. Y'all may just see the basic brooder and then I'll show you a lid video. Once I work that out in my head, I got the brooder work out in my head now. It's not a safe place to be. Finna do some figuring, some measuring. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them 1x about 17.5, where I can have a little clearance on the bottom and good clearance on the top. Where I set a 2x4 on top of them on the top sideways, and that'll be how the lid goes on there. I gotta set up. I'll set up and measure. I won't take y'all through that. I'll tell y'all what I did after I do it. But I'm just screwing on every corner, one corner of every one, where I can just slide it together and drill it together, and when I want to tear it down, I'm back the screws back out if they're good enough. If not, it'll be a pain in the ass to move. But so far I've still got 6 of the 9 fingers I started with, and that's pretty good for me. Just that one right there I'm missing. I covered it up with glove, keep the blood from going everywhere. But yeah, it's going better than I thought it would. But we'll see what it looks like here in a minute. I'll put y'all back on some time lapse. hope y'all can see what I'm doing. I got that 2x where I got enough room for the top edge and the bottom edge, and I left a little bit of a flyby. I hope I'm right on that. I'm experimenting as I go. I left the flyby right here. Where I come, I'm gonna screw this together and screw one to it. We'll see. We will see. Alright, I'll bring y'all along as I go. I got it figured out. I'm gonna put all of them on 2, and then I'm gonna come in there and screw it together. I'll show y'all here in a minute. Sort of work. Hard to work. I'm gonna have to assemble it up on the porch. I'm not gonna be able to record it. It's too crowded and too loud. I'll take some pictures of it when it's through. I'll let y'all know how it worked. Alright, lifers, there's the finished product. I don't know if y'all can see it all. I gotta build a top next. I'll probably bring y'all along for that too. This thing right here is almost as square as the White House. I mean, it's pretty square. I mean, well, crooked. The White House is crooked, I'm sorry. Real crooked. You can't put a speed square in any of these corners and get a square. It's almost oval shaped. Alright, lifers. I've already filmed the outro, but that's it. That's what you're looking at. I forgot that I used to know how to be a carpenter, but I don't anymore. God, I'm out of shape. That's all I'm saying. I'm out of shape. If y'all made it this far in the video, like, share, subscribe. I'm sure I'm not all out of frame, jacked up, can't get nobody to film for me. Share these, like them, hate them, do whatever you want to. Thumbs down helps me. Give me as many of them as you can stand, and I'm gone.